And here is one of my, you could say experimental, but I've done it so many times in the past that I'm pretty sure it's going to work even in Thailand. But you see how all that water's sitting in there, and you can't really see it, but it's just dripping in there. It's coming right out of the ground, out of the water table. And it's filling that with water. So I'm going to do one of my fancy buckets like this one here. It's going to be, and it's going to be drilled with lots and lots of holes and put in here, and then the water is going to go into the holes, and then you backfill it all with a clear 3/4 inch stone, and the holes are 1/2 inch. No stones can get through the holes, just water. And watch this. I think I'm going to, I've only got my sandals on again with socks, so because I'm trying to spare my legs as much as I possibly can now. I don't know how soft this is going to be, but not too bad, not too bad. I'm going to release this and let the water out. They can be pretty stiff, these PVC pipes. Just got to be patient. Come on, out you come. Come on, out. It's hard to do it with one hand, I guess. It's almost there. Okay. Ready, 1, 2, 3. This is all groundwater. All of it. But this pipe isn't deep enough. That's a problem. I need that pipe to be like much deeper than that. Jeez. Anyways, I'll have to figure that one out. I don't feel like digging it up. I just have to design it in such a way. I don't know why it ended up so low. Anyways. Oh, it looks kind of messy, but that's no problem. That's just because of the dripping of the soil and the water, but they're all running now, constantly. It's awesome. Okay, bye for now.